ಸಂಸಾರದಾವ ನಲ್ಲಿದ ಲೋಕ ಪ್ರಣಯ ಕಾರುಣ್ಯ ಘನ ಘನತ್ವಂ ಪ್ರಾಪ್ತಸ್ಯ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣ ಗುಣಾರ್ಣವಸ್ಯ ವಂದೇ ಗುರು ಶ್ರೀ ಚರಣಾರವಿಂದಂ ಮಹಾಪ್ರಭು ಕೀರ್ತನ ನೃತ್ಯ ಗೀತಾ ವಾದಿತ್ರಮಾರ್ಜಾನ್ ಮನಸೂರಸೇನ रोमाञ्चकाम्पाश्रुतरङ्गभाजं वन्दे गुरु श्रीचरणारविन्दम् श्रीविग्रहाराधननित्यनानां शृङ्गारतन्मन्दिरमार्चनादं युक्तस्य भक्तांश्च नियुञ्जतोऽपि वन्दे गुरु श्रीचरणारविन्दम् चतुर्विधा श्रीं भगवत्प्रसाद स्वादान्नतृप्तं हरिभक्त्यसङ्गं कृत्वैव तृप्तिं भज तत्सदैव वन्दे गुरु श्रीचरणारविन्दम् Shri Guru and Sadhu Guru, Shri Guru says the same thing as this four Kumaras are saying. Yeah, you belong to Krishna. You belong to Krishna, Bhagavan. Don't be a trash can. No, you belong to Bhagavan. Your chitta should be at the lotus feet of Bhagavan. You should constantly chant, hear the name of the Lord Hari. Fill your ears with the glorification of Lord Hari. Let the tongue always vibrate the holy name. This is what Shri Guru does. He is waking us up to our real identity and what we should be doing. How to use these ears, these words, this chitta, giving the sambandha to Bhagavan. He is engaging these words, this chitta. And when we are filling our ears, the holes of the ears with the Vani of the Bhagavata, then there will be such great earnestness to fill these ear holes with Bhagavat Gunaganair. Up until then, when we fill the ears with the Vani of Bhagavata, the Bhagavat Vani will awaken us to the fact that these ear holes are just filled with garbage till now. So they should be filled with Bhagavat Gunaganair. Like that. Then we will start to make these ear holes like the flower baskets for Bhagavan. Then the words like, the akshintas, where we offer at the lotus feet of the Lord. Then the words will be like akshintas. The ear holes will be like the flower baskets. Then the mind, chitta, the thought will be like a bumblebee. This is the whole purpose of Sadhu Guru, Shri Guru, to make us like that, to engage us like that in the seva of Bhagavan. Shri Radhika Madhavayorapayo Madhurya Leela Gunarupanamnam Pratikshana Swadhanalolupasya Vande Guru Shri Charanarvindam. This body, everything related to this body is like a temple for Bhagavan. Anything that originates from here, the thought, the word, Anything has to be an offering for Bhagavan. Nikunjayo no ratikeli siddhain yayali bir yukti rapikshaniyam tatrati taksha tativallabhasya vande guru shri charanarvindam sakshat haritvenam samasta shastrain yuktastada bhavyatena satpihi Kintu prabhuya priyayaiva tasya Vande Guru Shri Charanarvindam Yasya prasado Bhagavat prasado Yasya prasado Nakati kutopi Dhyayam tuvam tasya yasya trisandhyam Vande Guru Shri Charanarvindam Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. This purification of this existence, of this body, mind, words, everything, is simply an attempt to make this body a flower basket. That's all. We don't want this to be a garbage can. We want this to be a flower basket for Bhagavan. Shri Guru Charana Padmam Kevala Bhakati Sadmam Bandhamoyi Savadhanamate Jaharam Prasadeng Vai Ebhavatoriyam Cham Krishna Prapti Hoy Jam Hoite